Bagyong Amon, posibleng mabuo maging unang bagyo sa bansa ngayong 2024.
In recent years, the world has witnessed an increase in natural disaster. These events devastate communities, disrupt lives, and cause significant economic loss. But it doesn't have to be this way.
According to Republic Act No. 10121, an act that is strengthening the Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management System, providing for the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Framework, and institutionalizing the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Plan, appropriating funds, therefore, and for other purposes.
Disaster risk reduction is a key to saving life and protecting livelihood. It includes understanding the risk, preparing for emergencies, and taking proactive steps to reduce the impact of disaster.
From early warning system to educating communities and building resilient infrastructure, disaster risk reduction encompasses a wide range of activities designed to mitigate the effects of natural hazards.
How to stay safe during an earthquake. Drop, cover, and hold. 1. Drop under strong table and hold on to it. 2. Stay away to the window, shelves, and hard objects.
After the shaking stops, go to the nearest evacuation area. Task people who are individuals would be PWD and older women and men.
Ano nga ba maiwasan ang sunog? Siguraduhin ibunot ang mga appliances bago umalis ng bahay. Patayin ang gasol pagkatapos gamitin. Huwag iwanan na may sindi ang kanilyo. Ilan lamang yan sa pamamaraan para maiwasan ang sunog.
Ano nga ba ang mga bagay na dapat natin ihanda kung sakaling may paparating na sakuna? Ito ang go bag. Ano nga ba ang nilalaman ng go bag? Una, mahalagang dokumento tulad ng birth certificate, merit certificate at mga school credentials. Pangalawa, batteries, power banks and flashlight. Pangatlo, canned goods na easy open na maaari natin kainin sa panahon ng sakuna. Panglima, mga gamot at pera. Lagi nating tatandaan, handa ang may alam.
But we can do it alone. Effective disaster risk reduction requires the collaboration of government, organization, and community. Together, we can build safer and resilient future.
You may die in disastrousness, yet you will live in readiness.
Join us in our commitment to disaster risk reduction. Let's take action today to safeguard our tomorrow.